channel. Hello guys, how are you doing guys? Hope you all fine. My name is Yofano Mutago. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I sew a wetsuit jacket, guys. I want to sew a wetsuit jacket with you guys. So let's go. There is my last pocket, guys. Then I don't know why my videos are cutting, guys. So this is my second pocket. Then that is my greatest fear. Like, what if I can't sew again? I like sewing, guys. I like sewing. I'm going to make this wetsuit and show you some of the videos, guys. Now I am putting a zip for the wetsuit, guys. This is the wrong side. Don't do like me, guys. You need to do the right thing. That's a wetsuit zip, guys. I want to put the last side. There is the first side of my zip. You see, guys. Guys, now I am hanging my wetsuit jacket, guys. Despite being an amputee, I can still sew, guys. On my next video, I'll show you how I make a trouser, guys. I'll show you. There, that's it. Then now I am hemming. Guys, my problem is cleaning. I can't clean my garment after sewing, so I find someone to clean for me. But the most important thing I want to my quality doctors for teaching me to sew again. is our jacket, guys. There is our jacket. They have pockets. Do you remember when we were sewing pockets? This one is with a flip job pocket there. The sleeves we put elastic also, and side pockets also. There is our jacket, guys. I'll show you when the owner come and collect it, guys. Tomorrow I'll show you when I'm sewing the trouser. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. Continue sharing my videos, like, comment, guys. I love you. May God bless you. Thank you.